technical manuals. That's to help get an airplane down should we have a technical problem. Okay, with that, we're going to go down below one deck, so we get to climb some more stairs, but we're going down, so it's easy. And we're going to get into the navigation, so follow me, please.
This is amazing.
Is it all digital now on more modern?
On the more modern ships, it's quite different.
Yeah.
This is absolutely amazing. Yeah, I'm coming, babe. Just give me a second. I'm just getting the last bit of video. Just want to get this last shot. This is amazing. Wow.
Do you guys want a photo in the boss and mini boss chairs? Come on.